Hi all, today we'll discuss about all the Amazon interview question. So mostly they covered programmatical interview questions. So what all are those? So we will cover here. So I collected many of the interview related for Amazon programming here. So these all are the questions which has been asked for the Amazon. We have multiple questions here. One is related for card. Maximum card you can obtain from the card. So how you will write the program. For that they have given one scenario that is already from in lead code portal, so directly you can see there, because see here I have searched in lead code and there we got this coding details, programmatical details. So how you will write and what are the scenarios and examples they have given. So this is the way, and after that we need to write. So mostly I selected with the Java, and here I write the program. So if you run this program, you will find the correct answer as per this expectation for this score. So as usual, we have multiple code which has been asked in the Amazon. So first is this one, card point. Second, they have asked related for this one, carpool, and then carpooling, like so they given point and capacities, and according to that how you write this capacities and all. And after that we have some combiner related for data stream, design files, file system and duplicate, and then media, and then find fit, ck closed and all, largest LLD, and then maximum distance. So we have multiple program which I have collected from this Amazon. So they ask this type of programmatical questions, and most of the questions are related for the lead code. So if we'll go to this, and here you can see this is the maximum point related. This is the scenarios they have given. An example is this one, input and output, and explanation has been given. And example 2, we have input output, like same we have 3, and then we have a constant. So once you will click this constant, you have 3 conditions has been given in this condition constant. So how you will write this program? So just this is the way which I have written. This is the first program. So copy here, and if you want to run this program, then this is the solution for this program. So I taken as a reference because I got this same code in the lead code development. So you can create a one class. Inside that you have a static int max number, and then you create a one max scope method. So that method we have a business logic which you have to return, and then we'll have a find max score. And after that you need to create a one again a static method that is find max score, and inside that we have a this argument like a card point, and then integer, and then left pointers, right pointers, and some. Then you do the some logic here, and after that we have a main method which will be called, and after that we have some integers array. So that is defined here already, this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 1, like this. And then write this mean max score array passed this array, and then 7, and then we will get some max efficient array 3, and then we have some private static int max score efficient. So this will be called and then inside that and we printed this. So like that, if you run this program, you have to log in and sign up, and then after that you will get a solution for this output. So same we have like the second program which is asked for this Amazon. It's a carpooling. So how you will write this carpooling and all? So if you search this carpooling related code in lead code development, so directly you will get it somewhere in this example. So we have a multiples are there. So we'll rest here. Java, we'll search here, maybe you'll get it here. So this is, see, the same questions I got here. So carpooling lead code. So once you'll click here, you'll get this definition, like what is carpooling and what are the scenario they given. So there is a car with capacity, empty seat, vehicles only drive east, it can't turn around and drive west. So they have given this scenario, and then after that we have examples and constant. According to that we need to write a program. So how you will write the program? So I have already given the solutions how we will write the program for this. So we have multiple solutions, multiple way we can solve this problem, but whatever I have preferred, this is the way which you can solve. What you have to do here, you have to create a class, and then inside this class we have a point and capacity. You need to create a two ref instance variable, and in that, after that, you need to create a carpooling method, and then after this carpooling method, will have a this logical, you have to write this logic, and after it we will consider, and then we have again created one method, this one, the boolean conditions. We are checking the conditions here, and then right, and then main method will be called. Here we will check the capacity, and then trip, and then after that carpooling will call, and based on that we have a trip and capacity will be the output. So once you will run this program, you will get this output based on this scenario whatever has given. So like that we can create a program. So this is the second program which is has been asked by the Amazon interview. Then there are multiple labels will be there. So this label was showing as a medium. So they asked multiple label like medium and hard and all like this. So the third program, whatever was there, so third program is related for combiner. What are the, sorry, combinations. So what are the combinations and all. So the similar, if you'll go for this lead code, we have this one. So like this, we have a combination, how you write these combinations. So they will give some scenarios. According to that, you need to write this combinations. So see the combination of some. So they have given some input and output. So given the collections for the candidate numbers and target number, find all the unique numbers, unique combinations. So like that, we'll have a scenario, and for that we have already, this is the solution. If you want, you can go through these solutions and learn how we write this and what are the ways to write this one. The similar code we have multiples tutorials and others, lead code or others video, you will find it. But this is the efficient way we can write the program based on the scenario which I have. Like that, we have other questions is third one. So that is related for data stream media. So how you will find this data stream media? Directly you can go to this Google, search this data stream media in the lead code. So maybe you will get it here, or maybe some hackathon or HackerRank portals also. We have multiple hackathon portals and HackerRank portal. There you will get this code. So this is data stream media lead code development. You can see search, or directly in Java, or directly you can search through the lead code data stream media. So you'll get somewhere the same questions will be there. Maybe this is media data streams. So here find the find medium from data stream. So this is the related for data stream. If you'll open here, so like that's so this is related for like the hard programming scenarios question. So they will give some medium, there we will find this data stream. So we have an input, output and constant will be there, and some of the follow-ups and all will be there. So based on that, you need to write the solution. So how you will write this solution? We will give you the solution. So this, all the solutions I have taken and uh, appropriate. If you want, you can I'll upload in my GitHub channel. There you can see this and then got the answers for this. So this way we can write this program here and then run the same like that. like that we have a multiples are there, multiple questions has been there. So others is related for this one, that some designing was there. So designing I taken as a some video reference, and then this was related for this, some of the file system related scenario they given, and so how we will write this and all. So same I have seen somewhere in this, uh, on Google, and not sure about this. Whatever I collected is like this. And then others questions we have a find the duplicate number. So that also we got in the lead code development. So there if you find it there will have a duplicate. How you will find the duplicate numbers and all. See, this is the way where we can, this is also medium type of questions. So they have given this one, find the duplicate number. So how do you write? This is the way you have to, once you copy there, and then you have to run this one. So this is the way which we have to find the duplicate number. So if you want, you can go through my GitHub, and there you will see all the answers will be there for the all the questions. So if you want this questions, exact question, directly you can search on Lead Code or Google. You'll get it this one. Like find media data stream. The other questions is asked find media data stream. So these all are the questions which is asked in Amazon interview, and most of the product company will ask this type of questions. So once you will prepare for one of the company, then you will get a many others company solutions like that. So most of the company will ask same common question from you. So if you search here like media stream, lead code, mostly right now they are preferring lead code, hacker portals, related question, and hacker app and all. So see here, maybe we will get here find the data stream lead code. So data stream lead code we already think we discussed. This one will be there. So this way you will go here, and then we'll check this description, and then we have multiple solutions even also there. If you want, you can go through that based on that your technology. If you are preparing for this other technology, Java or maybe Python and all, then you can see the solutions also, some of the solutions. And so descriptions you will find, and then you will get some answers. So answers they have already written in that. We need to some modify this or see the logic where we need to fit some bug with them. After that we have a find pick related question they ask. So this is the scenario answers for find pick, and then we have others we have related for k closest point to origin. So like how we will write this. So if we go here directly, you will see this out the code details, like what type of questions. So mostly I haven't taken the questions here because questions is already available on internet or Google. So this is the questions where you can get it this questions detail, and once you write this, so this is the solutions. How you will write this solution for this programming. So these all are related for the programming based on the product based company, and I collected most of the Amazon company related questions. All are programming and hard and medium level questions, which is most of the there is already from the lead code. So if you go here, so they ask one mostly they will prefer the test access and all. So prior to related questions they ask. So k largest int streams, how we'll find it there. So you'll also get this same in this lead code or anywhere, not in load code, lead code. Most of the we seen in lead code only, but if you want, you can see others also. So this kth largest element in a stream. So how we will find this thing? So like that they ask, and then after that some low level design. So low level file design they ask, like how you will create a file design through the low level. So image a file, imagine a file, and write the code for this high level like Java and other codes. So how you will write this low level and high level and all, and then create a this one, this program. and then we have related maximum promotion overlap and maximum distance related questions also they ask, and maximum promotions, maximum interval, merge intervals and all patterns they ask. So how you write these patterns and then range. So they given some of the numbers and range, and after we have some rectangle areas. So how rectangle area will overlap and all. So this related, then remove duplicate and reboot the directory. So how you will reboot the directory? So what are the ways to write a program to reboot the directory? So these all are different level of interview from Amazon. They ask like these all are considered for this all the level of Amazon interview questions mostly. So I collected all the Amazon interview questions, and then search suggestion system. So all are there in this on Google directly you can search, but solution if you need then you can go through this, try to uh, write from yourself. If you are not, then you can refer this one. So this all will be available on this GitHub. Then we have climbing stairs submissions. So how we will write this climbing stairs submissions code. So this is the questions which you will get it here in this, and then you will find this descriptions for the particular code. You can go for this one. So here we have a climbing staircase. Take n step to reach on top. So like this. So if you want, you can go for the solutions. Then we have this one. Task scheduler. How we write this task schedulers and all. So what are the ways to write a task schedulers like this? So this way we can do. And others we have wall and gate. So wall and gate related we have a question that is related for node, like linked list and all, which will be performed. So how will they will check to your concept related for queue, linked list and all. So you can go through this multiple videos also has there on wall and gate related. Just watch. Others we have last questions which is related for series. So Fibonacci series and all. So they will give some of the limitations and how we will write this program and these things. So we have a multiple things are there, but these they will ask like high level, low level, data structure, programmatical and all, some of the theoretical concept like design, system design and all. But whatever I consider, these all are related for programming questions. I consider for this product based interview questions. So that will be covered in all the programming product based interview questions. So if you want, you can take as a reference, and then see this we got here. Even we have GitHub also. In that GitHub someone has already uploaded, and this is the GitHub. Many of the members has uploaded in that. If you want, you can check. Hacker rank is there, tech interview is there, and then we have lead code our developers also there, like this. So if you want, I will upload my solution in my GitHub portal. There you got these all solutions, and then try to implement. So all the questions I collected 22 or 25 questions approx related for the product based company programmatical medium and high level questions which is asked in interview of Amazon also. Yeah, so that's it. You can take as a reference, go through this, search on Google the description of program details and the solution I'll upload in my GitHub channel. So there you can find it, GitHub repository, there you can find it, all those things. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, thank you. Please watch and subscribe my channel if you like it, and also let me know what type of next video you want related for programmatical interview questions or any technology related. Please let me know in comment section. Thank you.